everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to store your output in a CSV file. So let's get started. I have explained this code already in my video, so you can check it out with the title of DGIDB API. And here we will write the code to save our output, that is printing in the form of a drug underscore data. Now here we will see that how to save file in a CSV format. First of all, we'll define the name of the output file, and then we'll use to_CSV function, and we will define the name of our output file, and we'll show, and we didn't want to show indexing, so index is equal to false. And this is basically the variable that contain all of the information, all of the output of our data. So we'll use this drug underscore data dot to_CSV, and then we'll show a message that results saved to this output file. Now let's run our code. This is the previous format in which we are printing our data, that is drug underscore data, and it shows message that our result have been successfully stored in this drug underscore gene underscore interactions.csv that is stored here. Let's open it. So in this way we can store our output in a CSV file. Now it shows the name of the gene. These are the drug's name. These are the interaction scores, interaction types and sources. Interaction type can be either modulator or inhibitor. These empty spaces shows that the interaction type for these drugs is not known. That's why it is showing an empty string, and it shows the name of the databases from which this information is retrieving. These are the basically names of the databases. And that's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to store your results in a CSV file as a bioinformatician. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.